What else have you got for us today then, Gilly? What can you do which is good and ethical and helps both patient and practitioner?
Well, I'm really, really keen on giving a really good treatment plan. I find so many times this isn't happening and the patient's left to go. So I would say, if you don't do that as a regular thing in clinic when you have a new patient, then try to start bringing that into practice, because it's going to mean that you're giving them such fantastic service and value that they will recommend you on and on. They won't be left feeling, what do I do now? Who do I go to? I've had that, a friend of mine rang me back and said, I've got a slip disc. She's told me, and it'd be a good idea to come back again another time, but she never booked me in. What should I do now? I'm not quite sure. Shall I go to the GP and get an MRI, or should I go and what does a chiro do? Should I go and see a chiro instead? And it's just like, they were so confused. She couldn't remember what she was supposed to do about getting the inflammation down. She couldn't remember what she was told because she was in so much pain at the time. So she needed holding and supporting and guiding and to see what the journey was going forward, so she could get sorted. And 3 months later, she's still on high level painkillers and crying.